Hey there, welcome back to our mini project series. If you're new here, make sure to check out our previous videos. Today, we've got an exciting project lined up for you, a DIY LuxMeter that displays the current light levels in your room. With this handy device, you'll be able to gauge the brightness of your environment with ease. So let's dive in and illuminate your DIY skills. Here's what you'll need to build this project: Arduino Nano, LDR module, I2C OLED, breadboard, some small connection wires. But before we get into the connections, let's talk about the sensor module, the LDR. LDR stands for Light Dependent Resistor. As the name suggests, its resistance changes based on the amount of light it receives. In brighter conditions, its resistance decreases, and in darker conditions, its resistance increases. This property makes it perfect for sensing light levels in the project. Now, let's begin with the connection process. Just follow the schematic closely. Once everything is connected, your setup should look like this. Then plug your Arduino into your computer and open the Arduino IDE. Make sure you select the correct COM port, then upload the provided code. Once the code is uploaded successfully, you'll see the current light levels in your room displayed on the OLED screen. All the resources needed to replicate this project will be provided in the description. If you like this project, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. And don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tinkering!